Are you looking for a newly renovated home that offers elegance, sophistication, and privacy? If so, this house is for you. If you enjoy entertaining, this house is perfect. Enjoy the big game in this room. Have your closest friends and family over for an intimate dinner. Grab your favorite wine from your custom bar and step into your newly renovated kitchen that overlooks a spectacular family room and outdoor patio space. Grab your favorite Napa Valley cab. Let's head outside and relax. Out here you can enjoy your outdoor dining space, brand new outdoor kitchen, stainless grill, and a spectacular pool oasis. Come enjoy your newly renovated pool area, a newly installed 8-person jacuzzi, maximum privacy with no other home in sight. Now let's go inside and check out my favorite part, the master suite. Come check out this gorgeous master bath. In here you'll find 2 water closets and 2 vanities, 2 walk-in closets, and the coolest white room you've ever seen with leather finished tile everywhere. Do you like it light and bright or dark and moody? Newly renovated custom designed homes in Harbor Ridge don't come available very often. Make sure you give me a call before it's too late.